Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to modify path to executable of a Windows service. Type services in Windows search bar. For example, I want to change Adobe Flash Player Update service. Right-click Properties. Path to executable is displayed. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Click H key local machine. Click System. Click Current control set. Click Services. Find and click Adobe Flash Player Update Service. Right-click Image Path, Modify. Now you can change the path of the executable. Close and exit registry. Reopen services. Path of executable is changed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.